My new pattern cutting series, a quick and concise guide to drafting the sleeve block. Watch me draft a sleeve on paper in my earlier video. I am using these measurements for this draft. Sleeve blocks are usually basic and fine-tuning is left to the pattern drafting stage. So much depends on the style of each garment. We start with a rectangle. Width is the top arm measurement plus 5 centimeters. Length is the length of arm, which is measured from the top of the armhole down to the wrist level, along the outside of the arm. Divide the rectangle into 4 equal sections. This gives you the forearm line, the top arm line, and the back line. Decide on the depth of crown. Use my table of average measurements, or divide the armhole measurement by 3, or take an average of both measurements. It is worth experimenting with this. Much depends on the current shoulder trend. Find the F and B points on the back and forearm lines. B is half depth of crown less 1 centimeter down from the top line. F is half depth of crown less 0.5 of a centimeter down from the top line. Label U on either end of the depth of crown line, which will be the underarm position. Rule guidelines connecting U, B, T, F and U. Find the midpoints and measure out at 90 degrees as shown. Connect all the points using a French curve. You are aiming to have some ease when fitting the sleeve into the armhole. My sleeve is measuring 44.5 centimeters and my bodice block armhole measures 42.5 centimeters. So that's 2 centimeters for ease, which is perfect. We now add some shaping at the lower edge of the sleeve. Raise by 2 centimeters on the forearm line and 1 centimeter at the side seams, and connect with a curved line. Use the shoulder to elbow measurement to find the elbow level on the back line. Add balance markings either side of the line as shown. Duplicate the wrist line shape at the elbow level. This is the finished draft. We will be using it to draft a fitted sleeve and a two-piece sleeve in later videos. Please subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with videos and patterns. My pattern cutting playlist is a good place to find videos in this series. And of course, please visit my site for the best and easiest PDF sewing patterns. Thank you for watching this tutorial.